Ciao. Ciao from Sicily.
Ciao, ciao, ciao. Ciao dear Sicily lovers. Ciao Eleonora. Welcome.
Santa Caterina d'Alessandria.
Welcome to this paradise. This is a paradise full of pastries. Wonderful. Take a look.
Allora, we have le minute di Sant'Agata.
Where? Come with me, Eleonora. So we have.
Super famous in Catania, but obviously the nuns they are able to make them. And then this is a gelo di melone with the 2L, but this is the watermelon. In Italian we call it anguria. And then this gelo can be put even inside a cake. So here on the right you will have this different version with the watermelon cream inside. And obviously now Rosella, she's showing you the king of this place, that is the cannolo, that has been filled in this moment. Now,
Maybe the second group
see, first group, you take the water and you wait for us in that lovely garden outside. See, did you take your bottle of water? Over there.
a tasting here.
Can we buy something or we want us to wait?
Now I will ask to Rosella. Rosella, possono comprare qualche cosa?
Sì, quello che è extra, diciamo, lo pagano loro alla cassa. Me l'ho riempito un cannolo, che siamo in diretta. Un cannolo lo riempi. It's a big cannoli. Eravamo in diretta, speravo che lo riempissi. So maybe the second group can come. Okay, be ready, guys. Happy people, they are going to enjoy cannoli, the best cannoli. Are you happy? Todd, are you happy?
So we can see the cannoli demonstration. Made by all of our friends. So here we have Chiara showing us how she did the cannoli, and then she put the pistachio, and then the chocolate or crust, and the sugar on the top, and then we can choose between the pistachio or the blue candy fruits, orange peel or cherry. Yeah.
You want me to tell her?
Oh, she does. See? So we are enjoying this cannoli, brava Chiara, this cannoli demonstration, and they're super excited. We have discovered the center of Palermo, the Quattro Canti, and then the Pretoria Square. We went to visit La Martorana Church. Charlie, are you enjoying so far?
So much. You make it very interesting.
I can say. Oh, thank you. Thank you. So now we are gonna take a little break because this is a relaxing moment. We like to. Pacing is very important. So we're busy, almost 90 minutes, 1 hour and a half of sightseeing. Now we sit, relax, we take our water, bathroom, and then we will enjoy this cannoli. As we say, holy cannoli, because they're made by the recipes of the nuns. And then after that, we keep going to visit the Cathedral of Palermo, and then the Royal Palace.
And the Ballarò outdoor market.
And then the Ballarò market. and after that we will move to Monreale. So beautiful day. We will keep you updated, okay? Rosella, I give you back the microphone.
Let's enjoy the outside of this beautiful place, the chiostro. So we are going to enjoy cannoli in this wonderful place. Do you like? Heaven.
So good. So good.
Come on, don't be shy. There are cannoli. There are cannoli left here. Mary, what about this cannoli?
Oh my goodness sake. Heaven.
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 Heaven. Na 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 na. Look at these beautiful roses. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Sicily. The sky is very blue, no clouds today. And we had a thunderstorm tonight, very strong, but now everything is beautiful. For those who don't know, we are following two groups coming from Omaha, Nebraska, and they are enjoying Sicily, their homeland, because they have a Sicilian origin. Their hometown is Carlentini in the province of Syracuse, and they are here because on Saturday and Sunday there will be a big celebration dedicated to Santa Lucia, their patron saint, and also they are going to celebrate the sister twin between Omaha and Carlentini. Now let's see if they are happy again. Eleonora, where is your cannolo?
Oh, I haven't eaten yet.
Oh, but you have, yes, of course. Maybe they are coming with the second tray.
Yeah, I think so.
What do you think about cannoli?
Bene, bene, delicious. Delicious.
Do you like?
I love it.
This is the best one.
It's the best one I've ever had.
So they are enjoying this moment, and maybe we can see live later.
I think so.
Would you like to say all together bye-bye? So, love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao, see you later.